Hi, I'm Jobin, and to mark the 10th year anniversary of Mitsubishi Electric Hybrid VRF, we are revisiting some of the previous installs.
The Strand Palace Hotel was built in 1909. It was built by J. Lyons Tea Houses, and then various bits was added on, and it became the whole block as the Strand Palace Hotel. This is a 788 bedroom hotel, so you could call it a bed factory.
When I was first made aware of the Strand Palace refurbishment project, it was very early stage. Early engagement with designers and engineers is where we are most successful.
If you consider we never had AC here in the hotel before, we just had it in back of house areas, offices. We never had it in bedrooms. The idea was not to shut the Strand Palace down to install it. That was the main thing.
We looked at different types of system for the building, and the hybrid system, HVRF, was the best fit.
From a hotel's benefits point of view, one of the best benefits of having a hybrid VRF applied to a hotel layout is you avoid like leak detection in the rooms. The benefit of running water pipes into these occupied spaces is you can get rid of these leak detectors.
Because it uses water on the secondary side or the internal side from the HPC to the fan coils, being water pipe or MLCP pipe meant that we didn't have to do any hot works. So with a traditional DX system, that copper pipe work would have to be brazed. With the MLCP water pipe, that's not an issue. It's all crimped connections and it goes in quite quickly.
That also means that my engineers, they can work on the system. We're not 100% reliant on the contractors who are servicing the hybrid system.
Well, the main challenges we face were working within a live hotel. The hotel has a very high occupancy, so they only wanted to take 1 or 2 floors off at a time. We didn't obviously have existing risers. We had to find ways of getting the cooling down through the building. So we located the BC boxes in existing laundry rooms and laundry cupboards, which worked well. This allowed us to commission half a floor at a time, allow us to roll down the building.
I think one of the main drivers for the designers to go for the hybrid VRF system was the cost-saving element. Traditionally on a layout like this, you would need to have VRF and leak detection. By getting rid of the leak detection element, the end client was able to save leak detection cost and also maintenance cost of these leak detection systems.
One of the benefits of the HVRF system was allowing to share heat across the building. The building has 4 aspects that get the sun at different times of the day. So the HVRF system with the HPC boxes allows us to recover heat from one side of the building to the other, which wouldn't be possible with a traditional 4-pipe fan coil system.
So since it's been fully commissioned 5 years ago, I would recommend the hybrid system to other hotels. It works, it's been proved.